Dalawang kasambahay, isang Indonesian kasama ang isang kababayan nating Pilipina inaresto sa Hong Kong dahil sa kasong child abuse dahil sa mga injuries na nakita sa dalawang sanggol at yung isa ay critical pa ang kalagayan.
Police have arrested 2 foreign domestic helpers on suspicion of child abuse after injuries were found on 2 babies. The 2 infants are 4 months old and 16 months old, respectively. Both of them are receiving treatment at the hospital. The younger infant is in critical condition. Mimo Singai reports.
This suspected child abuse case was reported on Sunday by the Prince of Wales Hospital. The hospital said that blood was spotted in the brain and the fundus of the eye of a 4-month-old male baby. Medics thought the injuries were suspicious and could be a symptom of shaken baby syndrome. Authorities launched an investigation and discovered that the baby had a 16-month-old brother. Bruises were found on both of them. The 4-month-old infant has undergone a brain surgery and is in critical condition, whereas the brother's situation is stable. The brothers live with their parents and 2 foreign domestic helpers at Jiu Ting Shun, Shenzhou. On Tuesday, the force arrested the family's 28-year-old Filipino and 45-year-old Indonesian domestic helper on suspicion of child abuse or negligence. Investigation on the Indonesian helper is ongoing for alleged harm to baby. Home CCTV footage suggests that the Filipino helper had hurt the 4-month-old infant in the early hours of Sunday. Sources say the parents have previously spotted bruises on the infants, but they did not connect it to child abuse because the marks soon disappeared. Speaking to the media on Wednesday, the police said CCTV was only installed in the living room, and that officers had not been able to identify serious child abuse behavior from those videos. While the bruises on the babies are new, the force said doctors still had to determine when those injuries were inflicted. The 28-year-old helper will appear at Fanam Magistrates Court on Thursday.
Hindi kaya yung Indonesian lang ang gumawa at nadamay lang dito si kabayan. Dahil hindi naman yan basta-basta magagawa ng isang kababayan natin Pilipina dahil alam naman natin na dedicated tayo sa ating trabaho para sa ating pamilya. Mahirap kasing i-judge dito ang kababayan natin lalo na't may kasama siya. Kaya maging paalala ito sa lahat at ingat-ingat tayo mga kababayan kong OFW.